Hey everybody, Mike over here at ToyTec Lifts, and for today's Tech Tip Tuesday, we're going to discuss our bump stop drops. Over here we have our 96 to 02 4Runner. This guy here in the middle covers our 03 and up 4Runners and 07 and up FJs. This guy over here to my left is going to be for your 05 and up Tacomas. Our bump stop drops are made to help protect your investment of the longer shock after you lift the vehicle. This guy over here is for a 96 to 02 4Runner. It's about 3 inches tall because you usually end up doing about a 3-inch lift in the back. And what this does is it drops down off the frame. ToyTec obviously faces out. There's one bolt through the middle. Then you bolt your factory bump stop back up underneath. And what that does is it helps on all of them. It helps protect that longer shock body. Because obviously you can have a longer stroke shock, but you also need a longer body to go along with that longer stroke. And that pretty much happens on all lift kits. This guy here is for our 03 and up 4Runners and 07 and up FJs. It's a little bit different. It has 2 bolts in it. And you actually drop the bump stop down and back, and that way it helps keep it in line with the axle as it comes up to strike that bump stop after you put the lift on there. This one over here is for your 05 and up Tacoma. It's a little bit different because instead of actually dropping the bump stop, you're actually dropping the strike plate of which the bump stop hits, because on the Tacoma the bump stop actually lives down on a leaf spring. So we're going to give you a nice new flat area here for that to contact on, and you do have to drill 2 holes in your frame, and it has a little bit of a notch here to kind of cup it on the factory frame. And yeah, that one drops down and help protect it that way as well. Now we're going to route into the shop and we're going to show you on an actual vehicle how the bump stop does help and how to take your measurements for a bump stop if you need them or you don't need them. So now we're out in the shop here, and I pulled up the truck on the articulation ramp to kind of compress this rear end on the driver's side. You can see how our bump stop drop has successfully allowed our factory bump stop to contact the axle before our shock over here has bottomed out. So right now I have about 1.5 inches or so left of compression on the shock before it finally bottoms out, which is perfect because the rubber will give under compression, especially under a hard compression. So again, here's our bump stop drop with our factory bump stop, and see how it's contacting the axle. So now that we've been out in the shop, you can see that this actually does have a practical application. So it does help protect those longer shocks when you go off-roading. Really does help out in those really high articulation events, protect that one side with those sides drooping down. So again, this guy's about 2 inches tall, this one's about 2 inches tall. This is the 3. Those are all your typical lift heights for all these different vehicles. So in regards to our ToyTec bump stops, here's your Tech Tip Tuesday for the week, and I hope you guys enjoy the rest of your week.